Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing followers on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Then tap followers below your name. Tap the three dots button to the right of the follower that you would like to delete. Tap Remove this follower. Tap Remove on the pop-up. That follower has now been removed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.